Hey, hey, Paula, I wanna marry you. Hey, hey, Paula, no one else could ever do. I've waited so long for school to be through. Paula, I can't wait no more for you, my love.
Hey, Paul, I've been waiting for you. Hey, 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 Paul, I want to marry you too. If you love me true, if you love me sweet, our love will always be real, my
Planning a life for two, being together the whole day through. True love means waiting and hoping that soon wishes we've made will come true, my love, my love. Hey, hey, Paula, I've been waiting for you.
Hey, hey, Paul, I want to marry you too.
True love means planning a life for two, being together the whole day through. True love means waiting and hoping that soon wishes we've made will come true, my love.